Greetings, YouTubing people. As usual, that stupid camera, the other one I was using, it's gone flat on me. I couldn't hear it go flat, so I don't know if it's just completely ignored the most outstanding section I just cleared. And I absolutely made a meal of it. I'm now stuck on this section here, so I've had a 10-minute breather and I've switched to a GoPro. You can A, probably hear me speaking, and B, I can actually tell if it's recording because I can see the red flashing light and the reflection of my phone. Now, this simple looking slope is denying me access, which is annoying because I am 11 kilometres into this and it's 19 kilometres before I got any hope of going back down again, and there's a lot worse to come. So this is it. I'm gonna make sure I've not left anything behind, which I haven't. I'm gonna have a go at this. If we can't clear this, I'll probably just have to call it. How many times have I called things and then cleared them? Good start at all, people. This may be the one that ends it. How can you get a Honda Wave up here but you can't get a purpose-built machine? That's just crazy. Crazy, 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 I say. Trail. Come back, I say. I can't even push. Well, slap my things and call me Nigel. Oh, you've got to have a rest now. How easy does that look? Bring us on to the next one. Looks like the valley I made earlier. I cleared the one I made earlier. I guess if we give this thing 2 seconds. Oh no. I suppose we better get on with it because I can't pause these and I'll end up having 500 episodes covering 10 metres at a time. Oh, are we there yet? going sideways. That'll be the breathing point. This is fun, yeah? This is fun, right? Get that back in there, I don't want to lose that. Not yet. Oh, fans as breathless as what I am. Left side glide. This one being nasty as well. Axle got stuck on the centre one. I took the left one and I made it. The cataclysmic cavern of doom. That's pretty amazing. Oh. Wow. God, it's incredible what water can do. It's also incredible what beer can do, which is what's driving me to get to the chopper! tyres for this stuff, and a 52 for a sprocket. I don't want to be going in there because I know what's in there. Buffalo piss, mainly. About 9 days ago I threw myself, oh that's fresh buffalo shit, I threw myself down the lane at about 50 kph, oops, which was not a good feeling. So we'll just meander. Oh, there's fresh tracks here, they've got to be here somewhere, and nobblies. That's our new Juro novelist. That's the trip. Buffalo tracks everywhere here. Options have we got? Just that one by the look of it. Buffalo been through here. Here somewhere. tree things, don't turn your back on them. Right, let's segment this one off till we get to the next bit of torture, and I know there's more in a bit then.